Today, we're diving into an AI that builds custom tools for your business, zero coding needed. So you know you need to automate to grow, right? But there's always something in the way. And that roadblock, usually it's learning to code. It can just kill a great idea instantly. But what if you could just ask for the tool you need? Well, there's a new AI for that. It's called Open Code. And yeah, it literally turns your words into working web apps. So how's it work? Simple. You just describe what you want, and the AI builds it for you. All right, let's see it in action. First up, a lead magnet page for a free guide. The prompt is super straightforward. Just describe exactly what the page should do and how it works. And in like 30 seconds, boom, you've got a professional, fully working page. It's crazy. Okay, what else can it do? Let's try building a client intake form. Every service business needs one. So we're asking for all the important fields right up front. Name, email, business goals, the works. And again, you get a clean, functional form in seconds. This looks super professional on your website. Okay, saving time is great, but what about actually proving value and making sales? Let's try that. So the prompt is for an ROI calculator. It shows potential customers how much they'd actually save. So the prompt is for an ROI calculator. It shows potential customers how much they'd actually save. And that is powerful. It shows them the savings, making it an amazing sales tool for your site. All right, forms and calculators are cool, but can it handle something bigger, more complex? This prompt asks for an all-in-one dashboard, a lead tracker, content calendar, the whole shebang. And check this out. It builds an app that developers would charge thousands for in under a minute. Now, to get the most out of it, you gotta know its limits. It's best for web tools. The takeaway here is pretty clear, right? That barrier between your idea and actually building it, it's gone. So it really makes you think, if you could build anything, what's the first thing you would automate?